Hello guys, today is our day 11 schedule. Let's start with quants. Revise your usual basics, tables, squares, cubes, and also revise formulas from arithmetic topics. And then compound interest part 2. Make sure you clearly understand the concepts and formulas. After that, take a quiz from compound interest basic level questions. Also practice DI questions. Solve at least two sets. That is more than enough for today. Uh, Now move to reasoning. Completely finish blood relations topic. Understand all types of questions and clear your concepts. Then solve two sets of seating arrangement puzzles. After that, take a quizzes from blood relations and seating arrangement for revision. Next in English, start a new video class, if class. It has a 4 or 5 types, and understand the concepts it clearly. Continue your reading practice for 20 minutes along with the newspaper. Revise your vocabulary and add a new vocabulary words. Also continue learning root words daily. Finally, current affairs. Follow your usual routine. Take daily notes. Keep printouts if needed. Revise properly and attempt quizzes. That's all about today's schedule. Stay disciplined, stay consistent. Bye, guys.